Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. I'm happy to be with you guys as usual. Anytime I'm making video for you like this, I'll be very happy, as if I'm speaking to some friends that I know. Okay, even though some of you I don't know you, but I love you all. Welcome back. If you are an old subscriber, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome. We love you here. Okay, so today we are going to make detergent powder. I'm going to introduce the ingredients. I don't want this video to be long. I have so many things to do. Okay, so first, this is my soda ash. Okay, I'll be telling you the amount as the video goes on. This is my sulfonic, my SLS rice foam. You can use the liquid one if that's what you have. This is my Texapon. Okay, I put it in this cute little container. This is my STPP powder, my titanium dioxide, my perfume, my color. Okay, you can use one color, you can use up to 2 colors. Okay, so now this is my mixing bowl and my mixing stick. You can use a mixing stick. There is a video I made on mixer. Okay, you can, if you're making a very large batch, mixing might be difficult for you, so you can use that mixer to mix. Okay, I showed you this mixer. I told you can use it for yogurt, you can use it for soap, you can use it for detergent, you can use it for omo, you can use it for so many things. So if you're thinking of expanding into business, these are some of the things you need, because it's not everything you can do manually. Okay, so now we'll start. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is to get our soda ash. Okay, I'm using soda ash dense. Okay, they form the soda ash forms the bulk, the body of our detergent. You can see already it looks like our detergent. And meanwhile, I would like you to know that there are different methods of making detergent powder. Okay, like now I have up to more than 2 methods. I have up to 3 methods apart from this one. I have up to 3 methods. If you are interested in them, you can let me know, and all of them can be commercialized. You can let me know, okay, so that we see how we go about it, but it won't be free. I've given you this one free. Okay, so now the next ingredient we'll be adding is our sulfonic acid, also known as our lapsa. Okay, and I'll be using 240 mils. So I'll pour it in and mix first. You can see it. I'll pour and gradually mix. This is a very important part of our detergent making. Okay, so I'm going to scrape all this out and then mix and then come back. As you can see, it's swelling. There seems to be some sort of reaction. It's swelling. Okay, so I'll keep on mixing it. This is very, very important. A very, very important part of the reaction. Okay. So, to my 2.4 kilograms of soda ash, I've already added my 240 mils of sulfonic or lapsa. Okay, so I've mixed it thoroughly for about 5 to 10 minutes now. Okay, let's just leave it for like 5 minutes or 7 minutes. I've mixed it thoroughly. Okay, so now the next ingredient I'll be adding is my SLS. Now, as you can see, my SLS is in rice form, so I'm going to have to crush it into powder. You must not crush it into powder. You can actually soak it in water and add. But why I don't want to do that is because I don't want my detergent powder to be too watery. Okay, I don't want it to be too watery. I want it to dry fast. So I'm going to pound this, and then when I'm through, I'll let you know. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to add is our STPP powder. Okay. Then mix. STPP is another very nice powder, surfactant. It gives a certain quality to your products. Okay, it's used in cleaning fishes, it's used in food. It's good. I'll list out some of its properties. Okay, let me not talk too much and make the video long. Okay, so after the STPP, I'll now get my color, but let me mix well first. Now, to make my detergent more whiter, I'm going to add my titanium dioxide just a little bit to enhance its whiteness. I'm not putting much. I've already soaked my own with a little bit of oil, so I'm just fetching it small, you can see. But if you have the powder, pure powder, it's better than this, because it will really take me time to mix this thing up now. But if you have it in powder form, it's better. You add a little bit to enhance the whiteness, because so I've crushed my SLS rice granules into powder. Okay, now they sell SLS powder separately. If you have access to that, you can buy. Okay, but if you don't have, you can crush the rice form, or you can melt it. But as I said earlier on, I don't want to melt it because it will increase the water content and increase my drying time. I don't want that. Okay, so, and then this SLS is not that, it's not healthy to inhale. It's not something you want to inhale. It chokes, and not only the choking, it's not healthy. So please wear your face masks. Okay, if you have access to the powder, better. So I'm going to dump this stick for now and use my hands. Yes, this is better. The hand is the best mixer. It's just like when you want to make cake, it will reach a stage. In short, you have to use your hand. Except if you have a very strong machine. If not, you want to make bread too, you want to knead your dough, you have to use your hand to get the best results. So I've mixed it in. Okay, so I've poured in my 2.4 kg of soda ash. I now mixed it with my 240 mils of lapsa or sulfonic. I've now poured in my crushed SLS powder. Okay, and I used 70 grams. Next going in is my Texapon, 20 mils of my Texapon. All these are surfactants. They are foam boosters. They are foam, not the air. In this case here, they are not foam boosters, because my soda ash on its own will not foam, so I'm not boosting it. So they are surfactants. They are like the active ingredients that makes our detergent. Okay, now usually these surfactants, they reduce surface tension, making the dirt easily stay away and making the dirt easily come off from our clothes or our hands. You understand? When they do that, it gives whatever it is that we are using, whether it is soap or liquid detergent or Omo, great cleansing properties. Okay. So I'm sorry if the video seems a little bit dull. Today it's just dark clouds everywhere. This is around 11 a.m. but everywhere is just cloudy and dark. So that is the place looking dark. So please, sorry if the video is looking dark for you. So I've just mixed in my titanium dioxide. Okay, so I'm going to fetch just a little bit of my color. This is my water-based color. You use a quantity sufficient, but please don't use much. If you use much, the color will eventually stain the whole of your detergent. Okay, so this is my water-based color. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Hello everybody, welcome back. So this is after 1 week. Okay, it has dried up considerably, so I'm going to package it now for you to see. So this is my detergent powder. You can see me sieving it. You can see. So when I finish sieving, I'll let you know. You can see the chaff remaining from that sieving. You can see the fine powder. As for sieving, some of them will be breaking up. So I'm using one hand to hold this now. Okay, let me just chip this and show you. I'll now use my hand to break it, break it and then allow it pass through. Okay, so I'll do that, and then with this remaining one, and then I'll come back and show you. So after sieving your omo powder, you now spray your perfume on top of it. Then you package it. You weigh each package. Okay, you weigh each package. Not that you just package it like that. You weigh each. And now each of these packages that I made is 100 grams. After you've done that, you can now put on your sticker whichever kind of design you want. And your omo powder is ready. It's quite simple, and this method is fast. It dries fast. It does not take time to dry, like some that will take long time. Like my own, I dried it inside the room within a well ventilated room, and in about a week it was dry. It was even dried before the week, because as you can see, the method I use is a bit more of a dry method. Okay, so I want to test this omo for you to see. This is one of them. Okay, you can see it. Sorry, this is night, but I just have to complete this video. So this is one of them I opened. I'll just put small. You can see it, just very small. Now I'm going to see water. I'm going to pour water inside. You can see the way it's foaming. You can see this much water. It has never finished dissolving. You can see the way it's foaming. You can imagine if you want to use this to to wash toilet, or to scrub or to wash plates. Just a very little goes a long way. This recipe is very strong, and it can be commercialized or made use of in the house. You can see it. Okay, and it smells nice. In short, the scent is very nice because I used 3 perfumes. Okay, 3 different perfumes. So if you are interested in more recipes, commercial recipes, the one that make your soap look like make your detergent powder look like commercial detergent powders, you can chat me up, and we'll give you recipes for that and training for that.